This video proposes MAX-effect, a coherent instructional system for Westview. MAX-effect aims to solve inconsistency, reduce workload, and improve outcomes. This is a field test proposal for spring 2026. Westview delivers strong instruction, but the operational load is breaking the system. Teachers are stretched thin by initiative overload, varying student experiences, and multilingual access gaps, leading to systemic exhaustion. Westview needs a system, not another initiative. MAX-effect offers the $400,000 advantage by avoiding significant annual costs compared to traditional procurement. The $380,000 district baseline, adjusted for Westview, totals approximately $400,000 in annual savings. These savings come from eliminating traditional textbook costs and replacing expensive professional development contracts. The Westview diagnostic identifies 7 systemic friction points across instructional coherence, teacher bandwidth, and leadership visibility. Key issues include instructional inconsistency, initiative overload, and limited leadership visibility without micromanaging. MAX-effect establishes instructional coherence by replacing the current reality of scattered materials with a coherence architecture stack. This unified, findable system ensures any teacher or substitute can start on day 1 with consistency while maintaining autonomy. Pillar 2 focuses on teacher bandwidth and multilingual access. MAX-effect increases bandwidth and innovation by removing teacher workload associated with curriculum creation and tool sprawl. The translation bypass flowchart demonstrates how the single studio workspace auto-generates materials, removing the manual translation burden. Pillar 3 addresses leadership visibility and outcomes. The current reality of walkthroughs and PLC artifacts provides no unified view and requires micromanaging. The MAX-effect solution provides a dashboard, offering visibility without surveillance, and improves outcomes through instructional clarity. The MAX-effect output ecosystem produces a coherent student experience. For teachers, it generates materials like evidence sheets, family overviews, and quarter maps. For leadership, it provides instructional visibility, consistent student experience, and reduced onboarding burden. Our spring 2026 field test proposal targets Westview due to its high initiative culture and strong teacher teams. The scope is 1 to 2 departments for 1 quarter, utilizing the full MAX-effect architecture. Support includes full teacher onboarding and weekly check-ins, resulting in 0 additional teacher workload. Would Westview like to be the field test site for MAX-effect? Immediate next steps include identifying 1 to 2 pilot departments and setting the field test timeline for spring 2026. This partnership is high impact and low risk, offering immediate instructional clarity.